Welcome to my MaxLend review. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about using MaxLend to build your credit. MaxLend is a platform that offers credit builder loans designed to help individuals improve their credit scores. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through my personal experience with the platform. When you first visit the MaxLend website, you're greeted with a clean and simple design. The homepage gives you a quick overview of how the credit builder loans work and the benefits of using the platform. It's clear that their focus is on helping people who are either new to credit or looking to repair their score. To get started, you'll need to create an account. MaxLend asks for some basic personal information, including your name, address, and income details. The platform is transparent about the requirements for approval, and they clearly state that your credit score won't disqualify you. This is great if you're starting with a low score or no credit history at all. Once you've applied, the platform offers loan amounts typically ranging from $500 to $3,000, which you can choose based on your needs. The loan terms are flexible, and the repayment period can range from 12 to 24 months. You will see your payments reported to major credit bureaus, which is how MaxLend helps improve your credit score over time. The application process is relatively fast. After applying, I was approved quickly and had access to my loan funds in just a few business days. The loan itself is placed in a secure account, and you can access it once you've made the first payment. This setup ensures that the funds are used responsibly and that you stay on track with your payments. One of the things I appreciate about MaxLend is their transparency. They outline the interest rates up front, which vary depending on your loan amount and repayment period. The rates aren't the lowest on the market, but they're reasonable considering the flexibility they offer. Throughout the loan term, you can manage your account easily through the website or mobile app. There's a helpful dashboard that lets you track your payments and progress. MaxLend also offers automatic payment options, which I recommend to avoid any missed payments that could affect your credit score. In terms of customer support, I had a positive experience. I contacted their support team with a question about my loan, and they responded promptly with clear, helpful answers. It's always a good sign when a platform is responsive and willing to assist users. Now, let's talk about the results. After using MaxLend for a few months, I noticed an improvement in my credit score. The loan payments are reported regularly to the credit bureaus, which helps establish a positive credit history. Of course, this process takes time, but MaxLend's loan structure makes it easy to stay on top of your payments and build credit without much hassle. To wrap up, I would recommend MaxLend if you're looking to improve your credit score or establish a credit history. Their loan process is clear, their platform is easy to navigate, and the results are tangible. Just remember to read the terms carefully and make sure you're comfortable with the loan amounts and repayment schedule. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more reviews on credit building products and personal finance tips. Thanks for watching.